corn. Got some more of them green beans. Does have some more of them green beans.
Fresh organic hand sanitizer, ladies? Yeah, that's right.
Potato. Oh, okay.
Okay. Can I put them in the same bag? Yeah.
Got squash.
$3.50. Who's next?
I want 1.5 pounds of green beans, please.
Okay. Here you go. I'll take that. All right. $1.5 pounds.
Yeah, give or take, whatever, close to that. I want a little more than he has. I want more than he has.
Okay.
Probably not double. So.
Okay.
This is from the Lazy Ranch.
Uh-oh.
A little bit less. 2.5 pounds. That's fine, sir.
Close enough?
That's fine. You're close enough.
Is that it?
How are you?
I'm going to get a carton of those heirloom tomatoes. You said 2.5 pairs.
Yeah, 2.5, 3.
I like the beans. Got it. Oop, almost done.
Which one?
Go for the dark one there.
Okay.
Thank you. What size do you want, honey? You want
Smaller.
smaller one?
It's for
that
potato
it?
salad, so.
Yep,
yeah,
that's
not-
it.
not-
That is
Quarter.
How much?
6 1/4.
Okay,
Can I put them right in on top?
absolutely.
All right. 6 1/4 out of 20. There's 7.
That's 2 pounds.
Okay, a little bit more
You
than
need
that. Yeah.
You need to see what,
No,
visually I have to
that's-
look at it, so
that's
that's
good.
my problem.
2.5.
8, 9, 10. 10 is 20.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Yes, ma'am, you too.
Get out of the
Who's
way.
next?
Hey, how you doing? I think you're
I
for me,
just
weren't
need
you?
to pay.
You're with her.
3 1/4, honey.
Are you next?
Okay, yeah.
How can I help you?
I'm gonna take another 1/2 pound of them green beans.
1/2 pound of green beans.
Yeah, I got some last week. And are these new potatoes?
Those are new potatoes.
Okay. How much are those?
50 cents a pound.
Okay.
Now you wanted a 1/2 pound of green beans?
You want the big
I'll take the rest of those. And then,
Well, there's more than a 1/2 pound there.
okay.
Whatever is in here, you'll take.
Yeah.
All right.
It sold you out, huh?
No, oh no, we got more.
You want one that's pretty ripe, or you want one that's less ripe? This one's pretty ripe. Okay, it's got a little bit to go, but it's getting there. And then a red one.
Okay.
That one okay?
Hey.
It's surface. Let me see.
All right.
How about that one?
What's next?
This one's got a few
Give me
days.
a pound of these new potatoes.
Okay.
Let me see your phone. Go ahead. A pound, you say, sir?
Yes.
Is that it, honey?
My bag's gonna get too heavy to carry home. So this is a Lazy Ranch. Now I could handle that. Oh, hey, let's do a little bit more than that.
There's a pound.
Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good.
Is that it?
Yes, for now.
Okay, 480.
Okay, cause I got your, I still got those sweet onions.
Good. 20 cents is your change.
All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
sir. Enjoy. Who's
Yeah.
next?
Yeah, don't forget your glasses.
Ma'am? hot truck.